In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Revolut account. Whether you're a new user or just setting up your account, I'll walk you through the entire verification process step by step, so it's simple and easy to follow. First, open the Revolut app on your phone and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be prompted to verify your account to access all the features. The first step is to select your citizenship. You'll see a list of countries, so make sure to choose the country that matches your official documents. Selecting the correct country is very important because it ensures that your identification documents are accepted. Once you've selected your country, tap Continue to move to the next step. Next, you'll need to choose the type of identification document you want to use for verification. Revolut offers options such as a passport, a national ID card, or a driving license. Select the document you have available and tap Continue. The app will then guide you to scan the chosen document. Make sure to align it properly within the frame displayed on your screen. Hold your phone steady and ensure the document is clear, well lit, and fully visible. If your ID has two sides, like a driving license, the app may prompt you to take photos of both the front and back. Follow the instructions carefully and submit both sides if required. After submitting your ID document, Revolut will ask you to take a selfie. This step is crucial because it confirms that the account owner matches the ID you submitted. Position your face inside the frame, making sure your entire face is visible. Remove any hats, masks, or sunglasses that could block your features. Ensure good lighting and take a clear selfie, then submit it through the app. Once all steps are completed, Revolut will begin verifying your identity. The app compares your submitted ID with your selfie to confirm that everything matches. Verification may take a few minutes or longer depending on the volume of requests. Make sure your notifications are turned on, so you'll receive updates on your verification status. When verification is complete, the app will notify you that your account is fully verified. If there are any issues, such as unclear images or mismatched details, the app will guide you on how to correct them. You may need to resubmit your documents or provide additional information to complete the process. By following these steps, you can successfully verify your Revolut account, ensuring your account remains secure, active, and fully functional. This process protects your funds and allows you to access all of Revolut's features without interruptions.